Hi, I'm Mrs. Varela, and I'm going to be your instructor for the Math 104 online course this semester. So I'd like to just show you a few helpful tips in Blackboard so that you'll have success in this course right away. The first thing that we see is the welcome. So as just an introduction to what to expect in the course and where to find it, we're going to go through this short list. Most of the homework for the Math 104 online course is completed using Newton courseware. So I will give you an introduction to that in a folder below called Quick Start Guide. We will be using Blackboard for some pre-class tasks listed in the Click Here First and Click Here Second folders. So I'll go through those separately with you. The Newton courseware homework and exam links are provided right here in Blackboard. Your midterm and final exam must be taken with a proctor at a certified proctoring location. So we'll talk about that later. Please do check your calendar that's provided for all exam due dates. The exam password for the Newton exams will be success. Notice capital S and exclamation point, no space there. You'll need this password to open each Newton exam. You will also submit exam scratch papers here in Blackboard. That is simply your notebook paper showing in an organized fashion what work you did in order to answer the questions. So please simply just use notebook paper and number problem 1. Write down the problem and all the steps you're performing to get to the answer. Do show your work. You simply then scan those scratch papers and submit them here in Blackboard. And I'll show you how to do that in another video. The testing policy, please remember, you are taking these exams on your honor. You do not do yourself any favors if you're using books and notes and apps with your phone. And then you take the midterm and final proctored. It'll be very obvious if you've gotten outside help on those Newton tests or there's a discrepancy with your scores. So set yourself up for success. Take these exams on your honor. That means don't use any books or notes, apps, websites, friends helping you while you're taking the test. It's on your honor. You and your pencil. That's it. When you're done taking the test, you're going to be submitting those scratch papers here in Blackboard. Other items that you'll be submitting here in Blackboard in paper format will be a few worksheets. Not every lesson will have a worksheet, but several of them do have a very short worksheet just to be sure that you're understanding the concepts and objectives for the given lesson. No courseware is going to be perfect and cover the materials that we at Eastern want to include in our objectives. So we do have some supplemental worksheets so that we can address every objective that's required for this course. Please use PDF format when submitting exam work papers and worksheets for this course. Do not email me any assignments. The only assignments that I will be grading are the ones that you submit through Blackboard. I will not be grading any assignments that you email me, so please do not email me any assignments. The suggested sequence to complete coursework is listed here. Please adhere to the list. That is how you're going to set yourself up for success. You're going to print out outlines for each chapter. And if you're not able to print them out, at least have a spiral notebook where you're going to take notes that are covered in the videos. I have made videos for every lesson. Newton does provide some video instruction, but it's not very much, and I think you need more. So I've provided some of my own videos for you here on the left side menu. You can see video lecture playlist, so if you click that, it takes you directly to the link that has all of my videos. So do take notes when you're watching those videos. So you may just write down a problem, write down step by step what's going on to solve that problem or to graph something whatever's involved with the particular lesson. After you watch the videos and take notes, you should be able to complete the Newton homework. After you complete the Newton homework, if there's a worksheet, that would be the appropriate time to do the worksheet. Don't try to do the worksheet if you haven't even watched the video. You may not know what to do on the worksheet, so please follow this suggested list. After any worksheet that's assigned, then you're going to look at sample questions and responses. The sample questions and responses are located here on the left side menu in Blackboard, and that's just extra examples that are worked out step by step in case you have additional questions that maybe the videos didn't cover, or you just need some extra practice. After you look at those sample questions, then you can print the review and work the reviews. Try working those reviews like it's a practice test. That means don't look at your notes. Don't look at any books. Don't look at any apps. It's just cold turkey, you and the paper and pencil. See if you can work it out. And then I have also provided answer keys for those reviews. Those are not assignments. They're just there for you to do your best practice before you try taking the exams. It really will prepare you better. Also, Newton provides reviews, and those are located in the Newton courseware homework and exam link folders. So every Newton test will have a Newton review available. Last, you're going to be doing the chapter exams. So those are found again in the Newton courseware homework and exam links. Those open and close at certain dates, so be sure to look at your calendar to know when those available dates are. And I provided that calendar link right here on the left side menu so it's convenient for you. I hope this brief introduction will help you to have success in this course.